Guys, mag-a-unbox tayo nito. Wait lang. Saan ko lang yun? Andong nahulog. Verificat. Dito, ballpen ha. Cutter to cutter. Sticky book. And then sticky book again. Then some sticker. Sticker. And then this one. Then this one. This one. Ito din. Dapat dito yung kasali dito. And then and let's put it organizing with you. Aayusin ko papakita ko sa inyo. Guys, tapos na ito itsura. Okay na guys, taktuban na natin. Wait lang guys, wait lang.
5. Oo. Pagkano pera mo?
Today,
Ayan, ang pera mo. May pa kaya aking 5.